Ever feel lost about who you are? You're not alone. Understanding your identity matters. It shapes your choices and relationships. Let's explore how to discover who you truly are. First, reflect on your past experiences. What moments defined you? Next, consider your values. What principles guide your life? Then, think about your passions. What activities make you feel alive? Along this journey, keep a journal. Writing your thoughts helps clarity. Ask trusted friends for input. They may see you from a new perspective. Consider this example. Sarah, a college student, struggled with her identity. She explored her hobbies, values, and feedback from friends. Eventually, she found her passion for graphic design. In summary, discovering who you are is a journey. Reflect on experiences, values, and passions. Engage with your community for clarity. You are the author of your story. Ready to begin your journey? Start today by journaling your thoughts.